Oh boy, we truly left on a cliffhanger last time. What's part 3 going to be about? Well, it's simply about getting the Pythagorean theorem to work with a leg of the right triangle. There's really not too much more to it, but putting more complex steps together. We have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but in this case, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, our a and b are not both known. Look, we know the hypotenuse and we know one of the legs, but we don't know the other one. We don't know this. So let's plug in the formula here. A will be x, B will be 8, and C will be 14. Simplify each piece as we can. X squared will remain as x squared. And all we're going to do is solve this equation. X squared plus 64 equals 196. To solve the equation, we're looking to get x by itself. So first off, let's subtract 64 from both sides. X squared by itself is equal to, that is a 2, that's a 3, 132. So x is the square root of 132. They ask us to give our answer as a simplified radical. Simplified radical, well, that means I just have to do my simplification steps for square root 132. We'll see if anything comes out. 132 is it divisible by 4? Let's find out. Yes. So it can split into root 4 and root 33. 33 is just going to split up into 3 and 11, and there's not going to be any duplicates over there, but root 4 is 2. So our final answer will be 2 root 33. That's our answer. 2 times the square root of 33. And that's our x. You may be like, whoa, that looks so weird. What does that even mean? Remember, 2 root 33, you can just plug it into a calculator, multiply 2 by the square root of 33, and you will get the value for x as a decimal as close as possible as you want. The simplified form allows us to do better algebra with it going forward, which is why this is sort of the advanced version. But when you're trying to find the length of a leg, all you're doing is the reverse process. This is really the part to focus on. This is the part to focus on. Plug in for the Pythagorean theorem, but don't plug in for A and B, plug in for B and C. And then subtract off in your equation to get the x squared by itself, and then square root